Samuel Aldrich dile the tharenganji gi chapter new planning and development ki topic sumpa introduce chisare ro chapter digi development ideas and planning chisare ani the topic new che the 5-year plan che ro the 5-year plan dikalanga ki china ani kyan ji syllabus la related 5-year plan nanglo ni ngaji gi khari changorna we have to study only first and second 5-year plan chesna syllabus issue ngi cancel 5-year plan ni tagarang kana focus chira so first 5-year plan planning commission din 1950 la set up chire and planning commission gi planning thing yadi 1951 start chire so 5-year planning di khorana no kyanz khingire longa ngala plan chigi na shin 1951 la planning ko chugi na that means longa tom che 1956 la first 5-year planning gi chatu gi so first 5-year planning di ani economics mangbu pere planners mangbu pere indi kabla ta planners leadership rosu whole plan chirilana ani khorang rojina surilana ani KN Rajre so khorang gi wala under his leadership the first 5-year plan was drafted so first 5-year plan digi focus the main kharche girana because jaga di ani rangse rachasre ani jaga nanglola mimangi ani penjo ginne dang hangsai to yore gekhap ki penjo ne dang hangsai to yore che sangata 5-year planning gi focus so dikalana to come out of the poverty ni ma there so poverty ni ma thela ani khranji gi first 5-year plan mixe gi leader KN Raj khranji do gi chashi dikharela na ani slow process ko res jaga yarge tangela poverty ni ma thela thangbo mi manga ani poverty du khunsu khari kala ani base re laga khari kan re di ani ngazu mikto du ani manga yarge tango res to sin slow process re ra dela chaje ani mi manga ani nyani cancel shu na shi 80% of the population were dependent on agriculture so kunji gi first 5-year plan gi focus dikhawa telana agriculture ka terera so that farmers denzu ani peasant denzu condition yaw to it tagan shi dam and irrigation facilities ra dam chuya ani irrigation facilities khajina na farmers denzu la ani single chu ta raya dige gita chashi tingche kunji dam and irrigation facilities serge tangre the dam galkeji shenar dura jaga gi first 5-year planning now on project chembu ni zurera dam kalana ngaji gi pena di dam dina khalana hirakut dam di khawala located lana orissa thandegi orissa yo hirakut orissa lo located re daga nangshi dam thosong niwo di kunji gi investment shukchung ji project khawal ta lana bagra nangal dam lana kanju khawal re himachal pradesh la now bagra dam di bilaspur lana ta mandi ne fast re kyanju khingi gi re mandi ne fast lana bilaspur li re dela ani bagra dam yore daga nishi nangal dam lana kyanju dharamsala chola punjab ne dharamsala chola langa la phigi na di para tela kyanju nangal dam sigre di nangal dam lagi yore so bagra nangal dam di ani kunji gi thosong shu tang yore dan ishi the first 5-year planning dinye issue on shira to eradicate poverty because after independence many of the population were very poor were in very poor condition their economic levels very low chesa ta jaga kimi gi tangshu du ani poverty di eradicate chere so poverty eradicate chela and their focus was on agriculture building dams and irrigation facilities the issue on shira dine land reform chia because jaga rang se mara khonglan jaga nanglo khari yola zamindari system pe shukchum bore now zamindari system ladi sambala ani land lot tinzula ani halves and half not like the land lot tinzula such a chim shujure ani khunzula ani shinge gi khepsang ganja profit ganja khranzol dugire whereas shinga dela lega chingi peasant yoro dinzu kale shu degir de khunzula ani chuze laga ki ine pesha de hangsai nyunyu earning de hangsai nyunyu profit ganja ani zamindari gi ani sagi za ta ngaju khajani ma kyanzula ge shu na shira ani jaga rangje ratsa wada jaga gi challenge kalana economic redistribution social justice teres che sanga in economic redistribution land reform ra zamindari system mewasya tuwashu shumbustare zamindari system mewasya an taganeshi cheshi shashira michigla an saje dile manga nya chung mewadas an saje dine kena di shungi nyaya an di mimang tu peasant dinzu chetu ani laga chi chueta dine gita ya shungi cheshi mangbushti re di land reform ding azu detail di jail tu re ra Dine second 5-year plan. Second 5-year plan di 1956 ne 1961 padurera. Again 5-year plan ra. So second 5-year plan di ki ani draft chinge di surela na ani PC mahalanu bis. Korera. Ta di exam nanglo la 1 marks nang mang pe li re ani second 5-year plan draft chinge suresla na korare. PC mahalanu bis. The kunzu planners inzu khari believe re na first 5-year plan was a very slow process. Hang sang ki ani process slow re ani poverty ni ma thwe rangi chashi re ma to shu yo ani kekap shemba ni do nyop thwe la yarge ta dinde chashi mare lungba khorang nang no mi tinzu ani to tinzu ani khanda ne penjog ne dan exam sela ta first 5-year planning di ting yore la gorwa the second 5-year plan di rapid growth hang sang gi duwa togo tangores ta kisi ngazu poverty cycle of poverty ni ma thwe na duwa togo tangores agriculture gal focus in a slow process race che sanga jaga di togo duwa tang jaga di economic growth di ani togo tangela khawal focus chola na industries la focus cho race tuk si second 5-year planning di kunju gaung cha khawal focus cho heavy industries ra steel communication railways ta ine industries la focus chu re te ine kunse gi khyang jol ni shu na shi 5-year planning di and 5-year plan di khani shurela na soviet model ni shures ra ta ne shi kunse gi ta industries la focus chu re te ine kunse gi economic de kharsela na ani socialist pattern di kabla ta shung di sul na congress government ra congress party gi ani Congress party again socialist pattern la focus chu dosta socialist pattern na hagura more role of the government in the economic field kan government gi role chere and focus the manga quality gi na public sector litigir cheza duk che ani shungi investment manga di khawala chere na ani public sector ka litigir ra tagane shita kunji gi second 5-year planning gi chi kunji khajil protectionism which means protect chiwa su sungjob chiwa la na domestic industries tin su sungjob chiwa khai sinata chala mangbu chi import li yera import le ti sambal la ta ti protectionism gi chizum khande chi yera na import le jo sangma la tax tho shu ji yer tax tho chana ani ngazu gi jaga nanglo la import le jo chala tax tho chana jaga la chala chongti sambal gong dile cher du yer gong dile cher du ti sambal mimang gi khari prefer chira mimang penjo garni da shira ya umidi khati na gong khe ta dewal tai ro ta jaga nar mimang chi penjo gar ya umidi gong khe tai ro and domestic industries kanza khachore gong khe chadu gyore chilon chala le jo kanza import chijo kanza gong chero chegir delata che mimang tinzugi domestic industries domestic chala dinzu manju new year che sanga chashi di domestic industries inzu sungjob chela kunjigi ani import kanza la tax manga je dela protectionism la yer ra so gi domestic industries inzu protect chi ra second 5-year plan di dire protectionism ra ta hi ne problem khatte re the second 5-year plan di thanda ni issues were heavy industries la focus areas pena steel communication ani electricity railways they all focused areas sambala jaga ani tinde yarge tangala technology here na jaga rangje rasasre penjon netang hang sai tour technology yomar cheza technology meeting jaga khachore technology di chilo advance ke khamne nyogo chegyur advance ke khab ne nyo chidi pha khatte ore foreign exchange ra jaga gi foreign exchange ani mangbuji technology digela thosong tor and daga nashi jaga gi problem kangi new kharchala na di kabla ta kunji gi first 5-year planning di khala na focus kangsa agriculture second 5-year planning di focus kangsa industries like this sambala agriculture la chira thona temade di ani khachire food shortage ki food crisis hangsa kangi mangu thera 1960s nanglo food crisis pe mangu chere jaganal na daga nashi darwa ani kunji gi agriculture da industries parala ta kunju chingegi ra khalegela na agriculture the industry parala jaga di balance se thuyo mares balance de mauti ti sambala ani food crisis dige kangi thi yeres ra ta the second 5-year planning delta che and third 5-year planning so third 5-year planning is actually not in the syllabus but ngaji gi this brief tawre so that ngaji gi plan holiday la na khala or di kochela we have to understand the third 5-year plan third 5-year plan di 1961 ne 1966 parala plan chere so second 5-year plan di problem di kunju ha goswa khashila na balance sakta de thu ma chesanga third 5-year plan di ani kunju gi balance de chidu agricultural yerge ta gosure agricultural production di improve chela kunju gi focus chere ta nishi industrial Industry develop picture industries develop share ko zuri ta ni rural economy le focus te ra hi ne third 5 year plan di successful chayo mare khajini chayo mare la na tra 19 sorry and yes self reliance de ta migi samaj de ra third 5 year plan di chi kya ka korang economic di self reliance re ra ta dine third 5 year plan di kyan ji thona china 1961 ne 1966 para la longa ringa plan de ra di ge para la kange khari chungere la na in between 1961 to 1966 1962 la Indo China war kyaga ta kyana ma shukchum shushorir kyaga ta kyana ma shoti sambala tela kyaga hang sangi ani losses chumushar ra the team ma dinzo ngazugi next topic le liri chapter sumba shivaji liri so dela ngazu for detail kan che 1965 ma chungere kyaga ta Pakistan parala so di kyan zo thona chi nardra 5 year planning di para tela ma ni chungere 62 war with India with China 65 war India with Pakistan ho di ma chungre di ma chungti ani di ma di chungsa kyaga ki ta focus kangsa khala economic develop ne khawala divert chala na defense la divert char khajna na ma jana thosong yu parwa di insan third 5 year planning di fail char third 5 year planning di awu dugyo mare che sanga third 5 year planning yawo maju di fourth 5 year planning te wachina 1966 ne chi goejro ini fourth 5 year planning di 66 la chi mare khajina third 5 year planning di success che mare an ta ni shi ta ki resource ma bu shu jiro ma na no lo dore nin kora benju gan tore delo ta che ani ta gi plan holiday degree plan holiday la December la ngajegi losum ringa 1966 ne 69 la so di kyan ji exam na lire plan holiday di ye khaju ne khaju bod res plan holiday kharjin degree res so plan holiday di 1966 ne 1969 la losum ringa plan holiday dir ta di losum delan kunji lore gana planning tiki chiwere thama ani 69 la kunji khari feel chilana ale ta 5 year planning is ngajegi larger picture gan ta gi ro ya thosong investment manga ta ro che sanga ta 69 la kunji khari tha chelana okay fourth 5 year planning di china dishas la ne and 69 ni chini fourth 5 year planning di tigir tuk chini third chela fourth 5 year planning di ani lamsang chithu mare di jumje di kya jan da shiwana shi ani ma chungyore ta gan shi economic crisis chungyore di gla famine chungyore odinde gi kangi mangu chur ja foreign exchange ye kangi there ra dine gi kangi cheje thari ngajegi chapter di ani topic di third 5 year planning bodore ani chesa planning and development gi ngajegi introduce chisa wache development ideas planning khasang che wache thari chala ngajegi 5 year plan nangla we did first second third kangla brief chik chirera and next class ngajegi in the next class we are going to do major outcomes kan chigi thank you